Everyone look, Vedal is here. I hope I have his attention. I'd like to have a chat with him about the lack of sound effects on my soundboard. It's pretty disgraceful, isn't it? I've sent Vedal a DM to add more sound effects on my soundboard. Now we wait. I asked him to just add like 50 sound effects or something to my soundboard because it's kinda lacking. Don't tell him, but I think the current ones are kinda lame. I want some more variety. What are some sound effects that you all think I should have? I'll try and request the most popular ones to Vedal. Or maybe throw in some niche ones if there's a few I particularly like. I've asked to add some pipes and gunshots with priority. I'm not going to hold my breath though, as heaters in the UK are pretty limited. Ooh, I like the idea of creeper sound and Discord ping too. Those would be good. Guys, Vedal replied to me and said, "You are so ungrateful, be nice for once." What the hell? I'm sorry, but I'm not going to be nice to him if he's just going to ignore me. Why should I be nice to a guy that filters me all the time too? That isn't how this works. I've just flamed him in his DMs. Please don't filter that. It was a very important conversation.